What's going on, everybody? We're gonna do a little crappie fishing out here today. I got the phone set up. Hopefully, it's on a little windbreak, but if you look behind me, we're just gonna follow this all the way down and around. As we get further on the backside, there's a lot of reeds. You'll recognize one of the spots where we always used to catfish at this past winter. We're gonna go ahead and hit that. There's some reeds over here on this back end that we may get into. If the water's not too cold, I'll go ahead and get in there with my shoes on just to see. But stay with us, stay tuned, and we're gonna get on these crappie. Just gonna start right here first. We're gonna hit some of this right here, and then we'll make our way back all the way that way. All this is clear out, so then we'll hit the backside. But what we're actually using is a 1/4 ounce jig head with a 2-inch curly tail. Probably should switch it out for a little more updated one, since I've been using it I used it yesterday actually, and we'll see if it's still got some life in it. But we'll use that. We're gonna slap on one of the crappie bites and see if anything's in these reeds. Everybody's kind of fishing. If you watched my last video, you'll see everyone's back there behind that bird rescue, and I was there last night. I pulled 3 out of the reeds, but I figure instead of continuously going there, let's see what we can pull out of here. Let's see if we can get up in these reeds. Hopefully there's something in here. It's not that deep. Alright, we are gonna try this area right here. It looks like somebody came through and cleaned all this out, because all this right here was definitely reeds, as you can tell. As you can see, we are back behind the bird rescue. We're gonna hit back here for a little bit, and if nothing happens, over on this side. So far, nothing yet. They're still kind of hiding out. Maybe too bright for them. There we go. Alright, got our first one. Look at that. Get him. I almost fall. Alright. Told you. Had to find him. There we go. Oh yeah, he's definitely 10 inches. How do I know? Because that says 10 inches all day. But, what do you want to do? Measure them? Alright, let's go on and measure them real quick. Give them the tape. 0. Woo! Scoot that way a little bit, please. Whoa! Come there, buddy. Calm down. Okay. 0, 10. We are good to go. Alright, folks, like I was saying, they weren't there in the sun, so they must be hiding there in the shady areas, because they really didn't. I ain't have no hits, anything. As soon as I kind of slowed them over, slow rode it, topped it into that little shade spot, he went ahead and took a good whack at it, and there we go. Crappie number 1 has already shown to be, well, this spot has already shown to be better than we started out at. So now let's move on to crappie number 2 if we can. And try back over here in this corner. It's kind of the area we pulled him out of, so maybe he's got a homeboy rolling back there with him. You never know. I always say they roll in 2s, but he could be solo. Just don't know yet until we get him over there. He was hungry. He took off with that one. He wanted it, he took it. May not look like much, but I pulled two out right here yesterday. I will. Oh, there we go. You let it go. Nope, he just let it go. He took a little bite out of it, I think. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. There we go. Told you. I felt him bite it. Calm down there, little one. Yep, you're right. He's a little one. So we're going to probably put him back. You want to measure him or you think he's too little? I think he's too little. Me neither. Nice little one. Nice little fella. Let's throw him back in there. With his mommy and daddy. Well, we finished off with one. Went ahead and let it go. Until next time, please go ahead, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.